Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Bullx. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, open up Bullx or neo.bullx.io. Now once you're in here, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Wallet or Wallet Manager. Click on it, and at the top right, you have Add Wallet, okay? Right here under Withdraw Wallets. So just go ahead and click on it. Now in here, it could be a Solana or Tron. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select or leave it as Solana, and the wallet name is of course Phantom. Okay, now in here it says enter wallet address, so just go ahead and enter your Solana's wallet address. Now in here, let's just go ahead and open up the extensions manager, click on manage extension, and if you can't find this icon, just go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines or three dots, click on extensions and manage extensions. Okay, in here click on web store. Now go ahead and find Phantom. Okay, hit on enter. Now here you have the phantom.com. So just click on it and click on Add to Brave or Add to Chrome, Add to Firefox, whatever browser. Okay, click on Add Extensions. Wait for it to load or wait for it to install. And once done, as you can see here, it's now opened and this page automatically popped out. And if it doesn't pop out, you can just go ahead and go to the same set of icons right here or right here. Click on Phantom. Okay, this one will open. So just go ahead and click on I already have a wallet. Or if you're just planning to create a new wallet, just click on Create. Okay, just going to choose this option. Connect email with Google right here. Enter a PIN if it asks you upon signing in. And then once done, just click on Get Started. And here you have your Phantom wallet, okay? So all you have to do next is just maybe close this one. Now in here, go ahead and click on Receive. Okay, here we have Solana. Just copy it, paste that in here. And then once done, just click on Add Wallet. Okay, as you can see here, our Telegram, we got a notification, new withdrawal wallet added. And as you can see here, it's been added. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.